this is a block that a lot of leaders have, and that is when there is a task that is either complex or even not so complex, like printing up a lab slip. It's always going to be faster for the person that knows how to do it to just do it themselves than it will to make the investment and time and effort and energy to show somebody else and empowering them with the knowledge to actually do it. So it might take 2, 3, 4 times as long as actually doing that themselves. But that's an investment in this person, an investment in your own personal ROI of time and energy, because you're going to be outlaying a certain amount of time and energy right now in order to pass that skill set on to somebody else, right? So once you do that, even if they are only 80% as proficient as you are at that, that's definitely a win if you don't have to worry about it anymore and you're just supervising it, right? So 80% is a win. If you offload it, if it's a monkey that you take off your back, and then you can focus on higher level activities and not have to worry about that again, with the exception of accountability and supervising, quality control, et cetera. So that's something that a lot of people have a difficulty getting over the hump with, right? It's like whatever that technological, clinical, administrative task happens to be, like if you could teach somebody else how to do it, even if it takes a significantly more time to do it than doing it yourself, you are then passing on that skill set to somebody else. It's worth that effort and time 100% of the time.